Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do auto sorting in Rust. So what we'll need to have is a crate, so a storage box, storage adapter, cable and battery. So, or just our power source, it doesn't even matter, but for this to power the auto sorting system I will be using the small battery. So what you'll need to do is first of all place a crate like this. As you can see, you can open up, and then you can choose where you want to put this, right here on the up side or whatever. So for now I will put right here, and then what you'll need to do is basically take a power output, and here you'll see power in. Click on the power in, and after that right here when you open the crate, this should open up, and then you'll be able to enable the auto sorting. So I'll put some items. Let's see if I put some items right here, and if I click on the enabled on, and here I can select the mode how I want them to sort, like count, condition, category, or even custom. But let's say I want to for the alphabetic, then for the language you can set the language, and then you can reverse it or not and stack it. So let's say I apply the changes, and it should sort up. Right now I will choose, let's say, by category, and if we sort it out, it should sort out. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.